Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Tribit FlyBuds C2 earbuds with any Apple MacBook. So first of all, before the pairing, charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from all previously connected devices. Next, open this charging case and take a look for these indicators. As you can see, they lights up and we have to wait until they start blinking, just like that. Right now we have to keep that case open and go to the settings on your MacBook. Select Bluetooth. Turn it on with the switcher and select Tribit FlyBuds C2 from the list. As you can see right now we are connected, and you can also check for the sound device for the output and the input. As you can see right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all. Hope you like it.